Alright guys, we got a donkey Stomper switch box, 10KW PEP, antenna 1, antenna 2, off is antenna 2 position all the time. And we'll make these, you know, if you guys want them, but the relays are ridiculously expensive. This switch box is ridiculously expensive, but if you want a switch box and you don't want to change colors, I guess you gotta do what you gotta do. It's tuned with a door knob capacitors, vacuum relays. There's a lot to it, really, a lot more than what you think. You know, it's a pretty good little progress build. One's 12 volts, but we'll start out just for curiosity. I'm gonna put my antenna right into my analyzer, my dummy load or whatever. You gotta keep in mind, on my dummy load, the ohms ain't perfect, but it's got bocodals of jumpers. You know, going into the sensors and yada yada yada, the meter, the LP, goes to the birds. So it ain't too bad. You're showing what, 43 right there? About 42 ohms right there. XS equals 0 megahertz. Now the jumper I'm fixing to put in there, it ain't tuned either. But you'll get the idea. The ohmage is going to be off a little bit, but that's to do with all my jumpers and stuff in line. That's nothing to do with switch box or anything like that. So I'm going to put it on the switch box. That should be antenna 1 position. And these things will take quite a bit of power. I got one I built and we've tested them and we've run a lot of power through them. Alright, antenna 1 position. This is 1.1, which that's fine. It's close enough. 37 ohms. The thing is, this thing will hold. And you go through the switch and it'll hold. It's a lot better than other switch box. SWR is a whole lot better. It'll hold and it'll hold the power and keep you tuned. Going to antenna 2. You see we're in the red there. We'll go over here. Plug it in antenna 2. Antenna 2. It's the same. 1.1. SWR 0. Pretty much see it's all in the band. So that's what I'm saying, guys. It's a bomb. It's the way to go. If you ain't got a tuned switch box, it will mess up your SWR, mess up your ohms, mess up everything. And this one's awful, like I said, because you got to keep in mind, this is an untuned jumper, unmatched jumper right there. Just a regular old 6 foot I had laying around somewhere. It's not even tuned and matched. So you're losing a little ohms right there. Then you're going back through here. Then you're going through here. Well, you're going through here, going back through sensor on the LP. Then coming back around through another jumper going to the dummy load. So you're going to lose your ohms right there. He's saying it was 41, but it's a what, a point of SWR. You ain't gonna get on switch box to do that right there. They just don't. There's not one on the market. And it's a vacuum relay from Henry in there. It's a $175 vacuum relay. When you turn it off, it defaults to number 2. But I put the number 2 light on there, so if you're like on the air and you get ready to talk, you unkey. Oh, let me go to the ground plane. Oh, I'm unkey. Make sure you unkey first. Oh, let me go back to beam so you can see. But I can only do 2 position like that. I mean, I'm sure there's some kind of relay out there that do 3, but that's all I've done so far. And I've got one right there to run myself. Works great. It's all in an old power supply case. There's a built-in power supply. But y'all know what I run through it. I run 64 through it. So they work and they hold. Alright guys, like I said, if you guys want one of these, holler at me. But like I said, y'all put you in line. I'm kind of backed up right now. But they're ridiculously expensive. You'd rather have your bill filled out. Alright guys, 10KW PEP until you in a switch box. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all have a good one out there. Y'all take care. Your friend in 10-018 Beavis at Donkey Stomper. Oh yeah, take time to subscribe to our YouTube. Like our videos if you're not already. Thanks for watching. Your friend in 10-018 Beavis. Catch you later. Bye bye.